Hey y'all, Tanny Cooks here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Thai sweet chili baked salmon. So good. Let's get to cooking. So we're going to start off with Alaskan Sockeye salmon. This is wild-caught fish. You'll notice that this type of salmon is thinner and redder naturally than the farmed salmon. Because this is thinner, we are not going to cook it as long, and we're going to bake it in the oven. So here's another shot. This salmon comes frozen, but you can also buy it fresh from your deli. I have my silicone mat from Martha Stewart on my baking pan, and now I'm washing my fish. I wash all of my meat that isn't ground meat. It's just something I believe in doing, so I'm going to wash it off and dry it with my paper towels. It's so beautiful, this whole fillet of salmon. So I'm going to use some olive oil cooking spray. If you have regular olive oil or grapeseed oil, avocado oil, whichever neutral oil of your choice, you can use that to rub on your fish. This fish does have the skin on it. I cook it with the skin because I like to eat it. It has a lot of healthy fats in it. Look at how beautiful this salmon is, y'all. I love sockeye season. So now that I have my oil on it, I am going to add my seasonings. And so the seasonings that we're going to use include the salt, the onion powder, garlic powder, Badia, complete seasoning, lemon pepper, and the Mayploy Thai sweet chili. So you just want to press your seasonings in, and then I did add some olive oil spray on top of the seasoning because I don't want the seasoning to get too dark too fast during the cooking process in the oven. And of course, I'm washing my hands. And once I do that, I am adding the sweet chili sauce on. And I'm just going to rub it into the top. It has a delicious sweetness. Chili is in the title, and you can see the red chilies in it. But it's not super hot and spicy to me, so I actually enjoy it for a nice bit of sweet heat, but not too hot. And of course, washing my hands again. So this is how it looks before it goes in the oven. Look at how beautiful and delicious it looks already. So we're going to bake this in the oven. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees, and the amount of time it takes really depends upon the thickness of your fish, but I baked this for about 15 minutes, and look at how beautiful it looks, y'all. So delicious. And I love my silicone mat because the fish didn't stick at all, so it was easy for me to transfer to my serving dish. And I added some chopped scallions on top for a nice pop of green color and flavor. And it's really just that simple. You want your fish to be just cooked through, not overcooked certainly. And I paired it here with my deviled egg pasta salad. I have a video for this on my channel. Just take a look at it. It is so delicious. And I also made some to-go plates. Y'all, this food was delicious, and I just had to share it with my friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.